Oh, you can see it there real good, how bad it is. You guys can see that's the, let me get this mic out from my hat. Is it even on? Yeah, it's on. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. So as you guys can see, the glue was on there from when I had the car, the roof wrapped. I even heated it up and everything, and the shit didn't come off. When I was taking the wrap off, it was just flaking off. So now we're gonna have to deal with this. But it's cold as fuck outside.
We took the rubber wheel, tried to take some of this glue off, but it comes off. You just gotta be here forever to do it, and it's just not productive. So next step here was to actually, before we actually do a rubbing compound and polish, we got this this stuff from Detailing World. Shout out to Chris out there who gave it to us. It's a I guess a residue remover or a glue remover specifically for this. So cleaning it up right now, and then we'll apply that and see how it works. Kind of see the, yeah, right in there. You see that? That's what we're looking at. That's not supposed to be there. The reason why we want to get rid of all this shit is because the wrap may not stick properly. So, and that's not sun damage. That's actual glue from the wrap. So, not to say J-Rod didn't take care of his wrap, boys and girls, but make sure you take care of your wrap. Yep, rapid remover.
Can you see the stuff? Yeah, you could.
Yeah. Shout out to Chris at Detailing World, Charlotte. It smells citrusy.
Does it?
Chemically citrusy. He said we're gonna do a little spot and does the whole.
Bro, it's either gonna work or it's not gonna work, bro. I'm tired of this damn shit looking like crap. Oh, it smells real citrusy.
Yeah.
We got the whiff of it.
Lemony. You even tried Gugon before this, right?
Mm-hmm. I feel like it's coming off.
Try saturating the rag and then kind of. If this doesn't work, the next step is polishing this bitch. Well, it was worth a try.
So, I've tried everything. Now it's just gonna try my best to buff this thing out. I'm using Griot products, the Griot clay bar with the speed shine. So just gonna buff this damn thing out, because as you guys can hear, it's hard to see, but maybe you can see it right there where it's drying out. Like, there's a lot of glue still stuck on this. I tried everything before you guys start recommending to try some shit. I tried Goo Gone. I tried putting that shit on there for a few hours. I heated it up, try to get it off, and nothing. So now it's the next best thing to do. I'm sure you guys can see the difference there. Now that I clay barred it. Super smooth, but still has that glue on it. So we gotta be using the Griot's Boss line. So let's see how this does. I used this before, a while back. should have put this shit inside the house because it's cold as fuck out here. And I got the microfiber cutting pad. This is the most aggressive pad that they have, so let's see what this does. You guys could definitely see that there. Man, you can still feel it. Didn't even get this off right here. What the heck? What a pain in the ass. So unfortunately I had to make the executive decision of just wet sand this shit so I could rewrap it. And it's crazy that I would never thought that I use a reputable like brand of wrap 3M and it just completely fucked up my roof. I'll see about getting the roof repainted at some point. Real quick before the GoPro dies. So now wherever you see the gray is where the clear coat and everything was pulled up, I guess. So this is what it looked like. I was planning to like buff it and polish it and leave it the same, but now I'm really gonna have to rewrap it because I had to take it all the way down because it was just fucked. There's not much I could do about it. Luckily I got a piece of some more wrap, different company. I'll show you guys in a little while, but yeah, gotta rewrap this dish now. So I never done this before. Be my first time wrapping the roof. Hopefully that's a good view for you guys. I cleaned it with rubbing alcohol. And now it's time to wrap it up. There's only this one little corner right here at the end that's giving me a hard time now. Right here at the end. Well, from what I heard, when you're wrapping a car, patience is key. You lose your patience, then you fuck it up pretty bad. So the roof is done. Scale of 1 to 10, how hard was it? I say a solid maybe 6, because you got to be very patient. And I mean, to be my first time doing it, it's not bad. So let me show you guys real quick. I tucked it in here. This is still kind of popping up even though I cleaned it like crazy. But it's crazy because I got it done professionally last time and I had the same issue here in the corners. But yeah, everything's tucked in. So Roof is done.